Cardano value equivalent to 7.0339 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.9120 The earlier day close, 6.9832. The change was plus 0.0507, plus 0.73%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 6.94 rands, high 7.43, low 6.45. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost 6.85 rands, high 7.33, low 6.37. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost 6.95 rands, high 7.44, low 6.46. Cardano estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost 7.13 rands, high 7.63, low 6.63. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 7.15 rands, high 7.65, low 6.65. In multi-week Cardano estimate on Monday, April 17, cost 6.94 rands, high 7.43, low 6.45. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 6.72 rands, high 7.19, low 6.25. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost 7.11 rands, high 7.61, low 6.61. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 6.95 rands, high 7.44, low 6.46. Cardano estimate on Friday, April 21, cost 7.25 rands, high 7.76, low 6.74. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 7.75 rands, high 8.29, low 7.21. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost 7.47 rands, high 7.99, low 6.95. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 7.43 rands, high 7.95, low 6.91. Cardano estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 7.28 rands, high 7.79, low 6.77. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 7.05 rands, high 7.54, low 6.56. In 3 weeks Cardano gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 7.31 rands, high 7.82, low 6.80. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 7.10 rands, high 7.60, low 6.60. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 8.03 rands, high 8.59, low 7.47. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 7.71 rands, high 8.25, low 7.17. Cardano gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 7.83 rands, high 8.38, low 7.28. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 7.47 rands, high 7.99, low 6.95. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 8.02 rands, high 8.58, low 7.46. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 7.09 rands. Excessive cost 8.29, while low cost 6.25. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.17. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.05, change for April 0.6%. Cardano conjecture for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.05 rands, exorbitant cost 8.59, while low cost 6.60. They found the middle value of cost 7.35. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.14, change for May 1.3%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 7.14 rands, excessive cost 8.43, while low cost 7.14. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.65. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.88, change for June 10.4%. Cardano figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 7.88 rands, exorbitant cost 8.03, while low cost 6.98. They found the middle value of cost 7.60. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.50, change for July 4.8%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 7.50 rands, exorbitant cost 9.31, while low cost 7.50. They found the middle value of cost 8.25. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 8.70. Change for August 16.0%. Cardano gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 8.70 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.70, while low cost 6.80. They found the middle value of cost 7.88. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.31. Change for September 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 7.31 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.31, while low cost 5.71. They found the middle value of cost 6.62. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.14. Change for October 16.0%. Cardano gauge for November 2023. Initially cost at 6.14 rands. Excessive cost 6.20, while low cost 5.38. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.88. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.79. Change for November 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 5.79 rands. Excessive cost 6.41, while low cost 5.57. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.94. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.99. Change for December 3.5%. Cardano figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 5.99 rands. Excessive cost 5.99, while low cost 4.96. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.57. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.33. Change for January 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 5.33 rands. Excessive cost 6.54, while low cost 5.33. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.83. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.11. Change for February 14.6%. Cardano estimate for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at 6.11 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.11, while low cost 4.77. They found the middle value of cost 5.53. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.13. Change for spring 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at 5.13 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.13, while low cost 4.01. They found the middle value of cost 4.65. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.31. Change for April 16.0%. ZAR to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 0.1422 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1409-0.1447. The earlier days nearby 0.1432. Change for now 0.0010, 0.70%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Cardano conjecture on Monday.